Okay guys, we made it out to Frank Raines. Gonna check out these trails because Carnegie is still closed. Went out to Prairie City yesterday. It's pretty cool, but mostly flat. They got some hills, but it's nothing like Carnegie. And I want to get more practice with hills, so I heard this place, you know, has some tough ones, but I can't be going too hard. I'm not that good yet. So my gear, I didn't wash it from yesterday, so it's kind of dirty. But let's see how it goes. Just check out the fire road. Got some creek crossing action. The rocks is my worst enemy. I can't brake, or I don't know how to, because the front end just washes out. It's getting steep right here. Okay. And traction. Oh, sorry about that. I almost went down. I gotta say, the bike's doing a lot better with the suspension upgrades. Last time I would have just washed out. You go to the top, I think, if you continue. Too bad it's closed. They said there's a ridge trail, but that's, I don't know. Is this it? It's connected? I don't know. But I walked this, actually, the left side, not ashamed to say it, just to see. And we might be able to do it. It's pretty wide, so I have a chance not to just beep, boop, go down all the way down. The right's pretty clear though, and it doesn't look like it's hard to do. Okay. Not bad. Love how there's no rocks. Love it, love it, love it. Try going over there. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna turn around. Take it slow. What I'm doing is making sure, you know, I'm not gonna slip. If it starts going, then I'm gonna go for sure. I have no grip on the ground. Almost there. Should have made this. Okay, walked, made it, couldn't make it up this, so there's a path here actually. Looks like we can just walk out. Just use it to bump start. Doesn't look that bad. gonna go down that. Flew my body forward, lost control. Now I'm all the way down there. I'm gonna have to do something quick. I'm running out of chances. Maybe I don't have my suspension dialed. You got it, baby. You got it. So that is a trail. Let's go up down here. I think it went off. I think I tried going off on and off the trail. This is the way I'm supposed to go. Man, nothing's marked here. Okay, here's the view. Wow, I'm struggling here. You guys right there. Try to hit this. Problem with this place, it's cool, nice views, but they're not marked trails. That's the only issue, really. How did I get down? Okay, this is the way I tried coming up the first time. I didn't make it. It's just rocky on this turn. But after this turn, it's pretty clear. I feel like I'm doing a lot better than the previous days before.